The Kármán line is the point at which the Earth's atmosphere ends and outer space begins. The Kármán line is at 62 miles above sea level, and any distance from sea level at the Kármán line or above is considered outer space. Set c equals 62 and use x to represent distance from sea level. Write an inequality in terms of x and c that represents the distances from sea level that are inside Earth's atmosphere. So we want to write an inequality in terms of x and c. And x is the distance above sea level, and c is the Kármán line. And we want to think about distances that are inside Earth's atmosphere. So that's going to be anything that's below the Kármán line. And so, let's see, I would write x is less than c, because they're telling us c is 62. Now I want to make sure, so they say the Kármán line is the point at which the Earth's atmosphere ends and outer space begins. So what if we're right at 62 miles? The Kármán line is 62 miles above sea level, and any distance from sea level at the Kármán line or above is considered outer space. Okay, so if I'm at sea or above, I'm in outer space. So only the things that are in atmosphere that are strictly below C. So I'm going to do a less than, not a less than or equal sign right over here. All right, got it right. Let's do another one. A black hole is a region of space where the pull of gravity is so strong that nothing can get back out once it has fallen inside. Let's use E to represent the largest distance from the center of the black hole that pulls objects inside. If x represents the distance of an object from the center of the black hole, write an inequality for safe distances from the center of the black hole in terms of x and E. So x is the distance from the center. E represents the largest distance from the center of the black hole that pulls objects inside. So if you're at E away or closer, you're going to be pulled inside. But we want to think about safe distances. So if you're further away than E, you should be cool. And it's strictly greater than, because if you're at E, that's the largest distance that you would still be pulled inside. Very good.